Welcome back, creators! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated miter saws. From woodworking to carpentry projects, a good miter saw is a must to ensure the quality of work. This saw allows you to cut any off-the-shelf wood product with accuracy and speed while being completely safe in the process. This also gives you the ability to cut the ends at a variety of angles up to 45 degrees, allowing you to do an endless range of projects. So whether you're an expert woodmaker, a pro carpenter, or a do-it-yourselfer, our team has compiled for you the 7 highest-rated miter saws that'll help you get the job done. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the miter saws that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first miter saw on our list is the Milwaukee Compound Miter Saw. This Milwaukee Compound Miter Saw has a direct drive motor with a maximum of 3.3 horsepower, which makes it great for cutting hardwood. The saw also features an electronic soft start function that enables the user to sneak up on the cut line without damaging the material. In terms of size, the unit measures 30.9 by 22.8 by 21.9 inches and weighs 77.8 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Milwaukee Compound Miter Saw a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: easy adjustment. The miter angle fine adjust with detent override allows you to easily dial in the miter angle with maximum accuracy. High precision. The miter angle digital readout offers you maximum accuracy of up to 0.1 degrees. Built-in LED lights. The dual integral job side lights illuminate your workpiece and cut line from both sides of the blade. Dust channel. This captures around 75% of all dust and debris for maximum visibility as you work. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the dust can get into the LED light vents, so we suggest cleaning the lights from time to time. The second miter saw on your list is the ENGiNDOT Compound Miter Saw. The ENGiNDOT comes with 2 blades, 2 10-inch 40T TCT blades for wood and plastic, and 1 multifunctional 10-inch 480T TCT blade for versatile use. The unit also comes equipped with a robust 15-ampere 2,000-watt motor, which gives it optimal power and durability. In terms of size, the saw measures 30.71 by 18.9 by 13.78 inches and weighs 35.16 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the ENGiNDOT Compound Miter Saw a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 2 adjustable speeds. With just a press of a switch, you can shift between 2 speeds at 3,200 and 4,500 rotations per minute. Free-range bevel cutting. This allows you to cut between 0 to 45 degrees for a wide range of projects. Safety feature. The solid iron self-retracting saw shield is extremely durable, which ensures protection from accidental mishaps. Laser guide feature. This can be attached so that you can accurately track real-time positions and perform precise cutting. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the dust can't scatter during operation since the unit doesn't come with a dust channel. The third miter saw on our list is the Metabo Compound Miter Saw. This 12-inch dual bevel miter saw is the ideal choice for carpenters, framers, and woodworkers who prioritize precision and reliability. With a 15-ampere motor and a no-load speed of up to 4,300 rotations per minute, it is capable of cutting various types of wood, including crown molding, plywood, decorative panels, soft fiberboard, hardboard, and aluminum sashes. As for the size, the unit measures 26.9 by 22.2 by 21.3 inches and weighs 47.4 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Metabo Compound Miter Saw a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: Exact Cut LED Shadow Line System. For optimal precision, the Exact Cut LED Shadow Line System reveals precisely where the blade will cut on the material. Wide miter scale range. This enables for a wide variety of cuts from 0 to 52 degrees, both to the right and left. Tall pivoting fence. This stands at a height of 5 to 1/8 of an inch, allowing the crown molding to be cut vertically. Thumb-activated positive stops. This ensures that the miter angles can be adjusted with ease. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the thumb button on the trigger handle is a bit small, which makes it more suitable for right-handed use only. The fourth miter saw on our list is the Makita Compound Miter Saw. The Makita Compound Miter Saw sports a compact and lightweight design with a powerful direct drive 10.5 ampere motor. This makes it the perfect option for a wide variety of applications such as woodworking and carpentry, as well as room-to-room applications. We would also like to note its soft start feature that offers smoother startups and constant power, removing the need for you to replace belts or slips. In terms of size, the unit measures 30 by 18 by 20 inches and weighs 31.1 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Makita compound miter saw a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: LED light. A built-in LED light illuminates the line of cut for increased accuracy. High precision. The unit is engineered with a linear ball bearing system to deliver extremely precise cuts. Versatile features. The tool has the capacity to cut up to 12 inches at 90 degrees and 8.5 inches at 45 degrees. Ergonomic design. The unit comes with a rubberized horizontal D-handle design for maximum comfort, as well as a large trigger switch for easy operation. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, be sure to oil the components right after you unpack the unit to avoid any rust buildup. The 5th miter saw on our list is the CRAFTSMAN compound miter saw. This cordless sliding miter saw by CRAFTSMAN is equipped with a powerful motor that runs up to 3,800 revolutions per minute, making it ideal for cutting 2x dimensional lumber, hardwoods, baseboard, and trim with ease. Its sliding 7 1/4 inch blade allows for a cross-cut capacity of up to 8 inches, while the 9-miter detents and single bevel blade enable you to do angled cuts. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the CRAFTSMAN compound miter saw a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: innovative LED light. This eliminates shadows, which provides you with a precise, easy cut line to follow. Long battery life. The miter saw is capable of doing 585 cuts in 3 1/4 inch MDF baseboards on a single charge. Portable design. Its lightweight design with side carry handles allows you to transfer the unit from one place to another with relative ease. Added capacity. The saw cuts 3 5/8 of an inch nested crowns and 3.5 inch baseboards vertically. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the laser is faint under bright daylight. The 6th miter saw on our list is the DEWALT compound miter saw. This 12-inch compound miter saw by DEWALT delivers 3,800 revolutions per minute with its 16-ampere motor. To provide you with a clear view of the working area, the unit also features a high-efficiency dust duct concentrated at the cut point for optimal dust collection. For optimal mobility, we'd also like to point out its lightweight design and built-in carry handle. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the DEWALT compound miter saw a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: high accuracy. The stainless steel miter detent plate with 14 positive spots ensures repeatable precision and worksite durability. Tall sliding fences. This supports crown molding up to 6 5/8 of an inch nested and base molding up to 6.5 inches vertically against the fence. Double bevel design. This allows the saw to bevel between 0 to 48 degrees to the left and right. It also comes with positive stops at 0, 22.5, 33.9, and 45-degree angles. LED light system. This allows adjustment-free cut line indication for maximum visibility and accuracy. Keeping all of that in mind, the things you should know before you buy the product are, be sure to calibrate the saw right out of the box. It can still throw the sawdust around despite the dust duct, so we don't recommend this for indoor use. The 7th miter saw on our list is the BOSCH compound miter saw. This compound miter saw by BOSCH features smooth cutting motion and accurate performance. Boasting a BOSCH exclusive axial glide system, it ensures durable precision and complete control, which makes it the ideal choice for compact workspaces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BOSCH compound miter saw a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: innovative precision control. The high-precision square-lock quick-release fence aligns 90 degrees to the saw's table and requires no adjustment. High versatility. The saw features a 14-inch expanded horizontal cutting capacity, a 6.5-inch vertical capacity, and a 6.5-inch crown capacity, make it perfect for a variety of cuts. Convenient adjustability. The saw allows easy adjustments thanks to its large and easy-to-read uniform bevel. Stainless steel miter scales complete with marked detents and roof pitch angles. Easy to use. The upfront bevel controls the all-metal bevel lock lever and range selector located up front. This enables effortless bevel settings without needing to reach behind the saw. Keeping all of that in mind, the things you should know before you buy the product are, the BOSCH is a large-size unit, so it may take some time to get used to. It doesn't feature a laser guide unlike most saws. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated miter saws, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next miter saw roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShopify.com again soon.